I'm Mark Turk, President and Chief Executive Officer of International Label and Printing. We have been running roll-to-roll Domino 5-color for about 3 years. So we thought, okay, let's think about the growth in the future and some options and some choices that we might have. So we approached the folks at Domino along with the CEI folks and developed this CEI BossJet powered by Domino. We all knew what the Domino could do, and CEI built the rest of it based on our specifications. We put in the ability to run on both sides of the web, to run multiple webs, pre-coat, and then we have a 7-color extended gamut, which really opened up some more market share for us. We can also do things like embellish the labels, spot varnish, foil stamp, laminate, special die cutting, running also roll the sheet when necessary. And all these choices came about because of our collaboration with Domino and their recognition of what we were looking for as to grow our company. It's been a tremendous asset to our complement of equipment here in our company. When you make a decision to buy a machine like this, you really need to think about positioning yourself for growth. And with Domino, they gave us a lot of choices. And one of the choices was working with a solid company like CEI. And for that, and for the second time, we say, thanks, Domino.